Zooming down Griffin Road with a blue ski mask and a stolen plate, this reckless rider turned a simple traffic stop into full chaos, blasting wrong way down US 1, cutting across medians, weaving through cars, and slamming into a trooper's vehicle. This maniac lit up the night in Atkins, Arkansas. Literally. He hurled fire out the window, rammed cop cars like it was bumper cars. After deliberately smashing into 2 police units, he circled back just to do it again. Pure chaos on Highway 105.
Unit's about to go down.
Well, hit me out on the direction.
I believe it's just south, but I think he's flipping around on Avenue 3, which is going to want to head south right now. It looks like you're on Avenue 2, about to merge on Avenue 3.
Okay. I'll go south on 105.
Flip it around, flip it around. Back northbound. They're headed back northbound towards you, J12.
Okay.
That's another unit. If you're coming southbound, be careful. He's trying to ram everybody. Largely unit for Pasco County. Does anybody have spots?
Yeah, but I can't get them out quick enough. What's he doing, Mikey?
His vehicle, I'm pretty sure it's going 10-7 on him. We're just going 10 miles an hour. 73 southeast.
Okay, you see me?
I can take this back. I believe my unit's starting to catch fire. I'm going to have to get a expedition to get out. He's looking around again.
Okay.
Going to Success Church Lane. Southbound again, 700 Block Avenue 3 Southeast.
What, Marshall?
You just hit J12.
What, Marshall? We just hit me.
Super. Well, this is in the ditch. Got him to go for you. He's stuck. I've got him to go for him.
Possible.
Big bro.
Send the fire service. It's on fire. It's on fire.
Super.